Alrighty, y'all, welcome to the Astronaut Training Facility. What you're seeing is one of the largest classrooms in the United States that is used by scientists, astronauts, and engineers. In addition to the activities you see here, they are working behind the scenes to keep the space program current and moving forward. They are planning and developing new hardware here, along with training procedures, which they will then use to train the astronauts for various actions they must do in space. The large white and gray pieces that you see on your right are various training mock-ups for the International Space Station. At any given time, there are a minimum of 3 astronauts that live on the ISS. Before their 6-month stay on the International Space Station, they have to go through rigorous training procedures and the training mock-ups that you see below. These particular modules are called low-fidelity trainings, which means that the astronauts train for very basic procedures. This includes learning computer programs, how to store and perform various scientific experiments, and where to locate anything, and even how to sleep and use the restroom while in space. Of course, safety is very important, so they run safety tests as well. One of the many things they train for is how to put out a fire. So they will fill one of the modules with smoke and simulate a fire, and the astronauts have to train on how to handle this situation. The International Space Station is a partnership between 15 nations from different international space agencies. These include the United States, NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, Japan's JAXA, and Canada's CSA. These nations both provide and operate the elements of the ISS. So everyone can get a good opportunity to see the things that I would be talking about. That would be amazing. Please remember to keep Now, if you look out to your far left, over there, kind of that general area, or for you people closer to me, right back there, you can see our space exploration vehicles, or our SEVs. The SEV is about the size of a pickup truck, can house 2 astronauts for up to 14 days, with sleeping and sanitary facilities, and can drive about 6 miles an hour in any direction. If you look back on the SEV, you will see a spacesuit attached. This is called a suit port. Astronauts can work in short sleeves in the safety of the vehicle's cabin, and when they need to, they can quickly enter and exit their spacesuits, their suit ports. These protective suit ports keep the astronaut suits outside, allowing a spacewalk to happen in 10 minutes, compared to the current spacesuit time on the ISS, which can take about 2 hours. In front of me, right over here, you can see our version of Robonaut. Robonauts were created to help our astronauts maintain repairs and repair parts on the ISS. Robonaut has 2 hands, each with 5 fingers. His fingers are so accurate that he can turn a single page of a book without ripping it. It can utilize standard tools designed for humans, such as powered screwdrivers. He can even type a full paragraph on a touchscreen device without using autocorrect. Also, if you were to give Robonaut a handshake, he can sense how much force you are using and replicate it to give you a handshake back. The purpose of Robonaut is to free up the crew for more critical work, including scientific research. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this does end this tour up here in the Astronaut Training Facility. Please follow me out of these doors to the left and return to your same seat on the back of the tram. Please wait for me to go down first and follow behind me. If for any reason, you have any questions, please ask them at the bottom of the stairs, and I will be happy to answer them.